Fronda gets it to Belenzo. Back out to Mr. Kyle Diaz, three from Asperia. He shoots a three, and it is wide left, no good. And we got on number two. Now on the other side of the floor. Logic gets it to three. Takes it, gets it to two. Guarded by Belenzo and Fronda. Back to six. Pass inside. Another pass inside. Back to number six. Got two threes. Making it in. Good. A lot of contact under the rim, but they were able to score through that. A quick 2-out-2 to start this game. It is a 4-0 game. It is just under a minute to go here in the first of the semifinals. Belenzo, screen. Back to Fronda. Back to Asperia, a 3-over-6. And he's short on the end of number 2 for 3. And a quick passing opportunity as the teams are thinking the numbers just a foul. Hit by number 15 and a nice pass from Garcia who drives on three. As the ball tries to get away. And a foul on number 3. It'll be a blocking foul. Again, a foul on. There's two number 3s in the floor, which makes it all the more confusing. That is their first team foul. Fronda gets it into Asperia, who drives right, and he takes it right away, taking it out of the basement right there. Drives to the right. No good. Good pass. And another steal. Hands up. And it's good. 3 for 4 so far to start the game. It is a 6-0 game to kick it off in the first 2 minutes of the ball game as Caltrans is now up a sizable amount here to start. Asperia who drives in, guarded by 2, and he almost loses it. He's now with the 3, 0 for 4, a 6, gets the rebound. It's good! 1A, drive in. A number 6 who is now 2 for 2. And 4 for 5 overall from the team so far. Garcia. 3 to Belenzo, and it is nothing but the line on that as he is able to finally break the coach streak, a 1 for 6 on the team so far. It is a 3-8 ball game here to kick off the first 3 minutes of the semifinals. Drives it on Fronda. Back to 2. Thought about shooting, but gets it to number 6 instead. Pass inside. Hit away by Fronda. And number 3 recovers it. A fadeaway. And a nice move. Carrying from out of the net. It is a 10-3 ball game.
3 points. Still good.
Belenzo, another 3. Pass and stop. No good. Representing out the team as they're trying to find the rhythm. And a foul on 6. I believe that is
Second back. No, that's first.
That is his first foul. Substitution on the floor. If there's Asperia and his number 4 subs in for number 6 respectively. Villegas has a shot to make this 3-point game. And he does. Quick call and collected. It's still 10-5 here in the first quarter. It is 10-5. Caltrans up by 5. 3 double teams and trap. Gets the ball stolen away. A lot of mismanagement that ends up in the hands of Villegas. Passas. Quickly. Picks the shot. Gets it to Villegas. And steal. Garcia back to guard 4. And he can't get it. A 2-on-1 wasted. As Garcia gets the rebound. Middle and entry. 15 minutes left to go. 3. Foul number 4. Foul number 4 is a push back. Stop. Substitution on the floor. Mr. Bonbon Salvador checks in for Fronda. throws it into Villalobos, who so far has been a decent contributor to the 2 free throws. Juan Salvador tosses it to Valenzo. Another three, and it is off the backboard, and absolutely counts. An assist from Salvador to make it a 2-point game. So far, Valenzo is 2 for 3 from downtown. Number 6 has it at the top of the key. Hits up in front of Salvador. Gets it to 3, guarded by Villalobos. Drives left, over Arcia, no good. And he gets the pick. A 3, no, a pick. Over Arcia. Good contact, but it is off on Caltran. High contact, no foul. As Salvador takes it up and has a shot to make it a tie ball game with this possession. With 13 and 50 left to go. Villalobos stolen away by number 3. It's a 2-0, and he gets it in to make it a 2-possession game. What a defensive possession, Salvador. Quick and back of this opportunity. Trying to get somebody cutting there. Garcia takes it at the top. Guarded by 3, drives right, kicks into the shot, and it's going to the floater. It's a 10-12 game. Number 6's got it. Smirk on his face and all, guarded by Salvador. Back to 3, drives in the paint, and it's good, and it's out. And we into the 2-possession game once again. It's 14-10. Salvador and a screen, right from Valenzo. And he got stripped away again. Number 2 in the steal. Number 2 with the missed shot. And they can't capitalize. But they get their own rebound. It's a 4-3. And Kassan, one set opportunity away. One of the defensive possessions with Kassan. Inside. Villalobos. Goes. No good. Blocked away. Right. It's gone. It's a 16-10 game with the 12 minutes and 20 seconds left to go. Kassan ordering and directing the floor, pushing Garcia away. Good by Salvador, guarded, 3. Nothing off the rim. 6 has it, and he has maintained control on the floor. Good, substitution. On the floor, it is Kassan leading the first.
16-10 on the floor.
16-10, on the floor inside. That's the first. 2-3. No good, foot. Take away by Crow. That is just the play. I've never seen it. Oh, that was a lot of contact. No foul. 6 has got it. Drives on Kassan. And through the legs, almost lost it. But he gets possession. A 3, no. Takes it in on the mid-range shot. And it is wide left. The rebound from Cruz. 11 minutes to go. It is 10-16. A lot of direction there on the floor in the defense. Back in. Tecate. No good. Short off the left foot. And 6 has it once again. Looking good out there, guarded by Kassan. Swings left and crossover. Off the mark. Oh, for the 6 as well. And it is a steal on Kassan instead. Garcia guarded by number 3. Gets a jump. Goes left. Shoots. A 3. It's good. Timeout. Salvador makes him go. Call it timeout. It is 19-13.
On the wing.
And tosses it in. It is number 5. Inside. Instead of the steal to Garcia after 1 of 3. And he finds a way to get through. He's couldn't get the ball to go in. But Juan Salvador, great hustle. What a fantastic offensive recovery by Bricklayers. Inside the inside. He cannot corral it in. A little bit missing indication there. And Caltran has a shot to make it a 2-possession. possession game once again. Both of these teams have been gnawing back and forth for the last couple of minutes. Both teams not able to create a sizable lead to take the red zone with 2-3 for that. Oh, that's a tough ball. And it's going to be Bricklayer's ball. Oh, who's the ball on? It's Black Ball.
No, Dio's right here. Yeah. No, I saw it. He was there. Who won the football? He just all right. So big ball. Big ball.
We're back. I'd like to apologize for the score error in the 8:45 is 13-16.
Should be here now, right?
Garcia on the screen on Esmeria. Another screen to Esmeria on the table. Right side of the foul. Foul number 3. Let's shoot 2. Substitution. This is the first. This is the second, and it is off. This call didn't happen. Another opportunity to have it second in. Back to 6. Right from Salvador. Shot, and it was in. 5-point game once again. On turnaround for Madrid. Off the mark. Back up. No good. Alonso got pushed it in on the ball though. Off again. Apollo Ronaldo. Has their second foul. Substitution please. It is still 18-13. Six is got it. Got it back at that point line. 3. Inside the 4. And then it is 7-point game. 1 ball Salvador direct from traffic. Screen for Cruz. Hooks. Back to the end zone. Gets it to Obado. Foul. That is a hard foul on number 4 against you 2. That is 4 second foul. Stop. 6 is in the 4. Eight points to work for 2. And Caleb by basket. Final run for Caltrans. Headband man, 4, 3, spin, turn. Back to Cruz. At the top, right by Headman. A three from Lorenzo. Trying to get some space. Can't find it. That's Maria. A screen from Cruz. And it's close by. It's a 1-on-5. Quickly may come out.
Tama ng bola to, ha? Na-injured na nga siya. Kaya nila
150. 1 point Salvador. Guarded at 0. Two guarded at field. Drive right.
Baka maraming bola.
Foul defense.
Malabas masipa eh.
Screen from Villalegas. It's good. A 5-5. And they have a shot to make it an 8-point game. 16 final on Caltrans. No good. Can they make this a 4-point possession? They can. They can. They will. 17-24. 4 possession. 4 points in 1 possession. And it is a 7-point game. Marcus Goddard is the one who came up with the foul and the one there. And it's steal from Arcia. And that is the steal. No play. No contact or foul. Clean right. Flutter. It's on. It's back to a 9-point game. It could have been 5. It's still in this 9. Back to Arcia. Back in. Inside of Villalegas. Over. No good. Quickly up to 6. And trying to steal it. There's a foul call on the floor. A foul on DiLorenzo. That's a 13 foul. Again, if you just joined us, it is 17-26 with 3 minutes left to go here in the first half. 3. It's good. It is against the backboard, but it went in the net for 12-point game again. Big lead in the game. Salvador trying to drive right. Gets it to Villalegas, who drives. A foul on 1. A foul on 0. Substitution. 19-29. Villalegas made 2 earlier. Can he make this free throw? Okay. All right. It's 20-29. It's back to a single-digit game. 5. Back to 2. Back to 5. He gets it a wide open shot. Off the mark right. Garcia. A 1-4. Villalegas. Crossover. He picks it up. Guarded. Back to Valenzo. 1 minute and 30 left to go. Valenzo. Call it off. Back to Salvador. 4 men on the left. Drive. Cruz. Garcia. It's gone. It's back to a 6-point game. It's 23-29. Caltrans up by 6. 22-29, right? 57 seconds left to go. 3 to 2. 3 guarded. Inside the 6. Fades away. Fades away from the basket. Arcia.
How many seconds?
Tries to drive on 6. Perfect control of the ball. Off the mark for no long. Good hand. 27 seconds left. 3 guarded. 24, 22, 20, 18. Back to six. Almost guarded away by the three. And back up to six. Three. Off the mark, long. Garcia with the rebound. Directing traffic. Calling for a screen, and he doesn't get one, but he does get one. After moving screen into Copley. That'll be his first.
Need to keep Randy last 8 minutes of the ball. Why? To monitor these guys.
Runs over. Rebound to the Lakers. Oh, I heard that slap from Howard Williams. Garcia. To the Lakers. On the play, the company inside. And in mishandling, it's a 10-point game. He's got it. For the big fellas, 26-33. 6-3. Back to 6. Drive left. Foul.
Who picked up the foul? Number 2? Missed opportunity.
Get in! Get it now! Get in!
Foul. That's on the floor for sure. Substitution, please. Stop. Bring players up, please. Number 15:45 left. 3. Wide open as you can get. Kyle Train's back to a double-digit lead. Bruce drives left, pushes and elbows. got some taking it now. Let's see him make the second. He's got one for scoring on the line. 27 to 36 points.
Semi-finals already.
Six has got it. Okay, it's 27 to 36. Drives right. Out of the kick. Drives up the Mbappe has crossed over. And it is long. But he gets to go more. They keep it out. Back outside the three. A long shot. And the second up with the point. A traveling rally for two. One in possession. Substitution. Stop. Hassan is in. It is a 27 to 36 ball game to score. Caltrez is up by 9. Cruz. Guarded by 5. Back to Arcia. And it is a steal and from the C9. Cruz, and it'll go for 2. Off on the first.
Got 14 fouls for both.
He makes the second. Screen by Denso. Cruz. Check the leg in. A little bit of a loop off the right. I hope he's okay. Bubble. And he almost threw it away. And Donato inside the frame. Hands up. Re-enter. It's back to the largest lead, or tied to the largest lead of the game. 27 to 39. Hesitation looks on the door. Skip the slide. Hit it again. Back up the Cruz. Trying to find somebody to swing to. Just can't. That's it to Arcia. Screen. Spins. Fades. Fires. Short. Takes it in. And it is a 4-3. Discombobulated. Foul number 5. This is their 15th foul. 1+1, right, Brad? Foul number 5. 2 fouls now. This is the first. About 10 minutes and 30 seconds left to go. With one timeout left to go, they can call it whenever they'd like to. Paslan. Inside. Esmeria. Turns. Big rebound to 5. They've had a lot of big shots so far in the first.
That's right.
Ronda guarded 5. Screen from 7. 6. Back to 7. wide open three. No good. And he's there against the rebound. Pass on six. Cold. Ice. And it'll stay with the ball. Back to Hassan. Goes inside. Garcia. Asmeria. A three. Off the line again. And it's there. Off the fingertips to four, and it will stay. Well, that's all take it out. Garcia trying to get position in the paint. Braga, three. Oh, no good. Substitution, please. Substitution. Well, Sabre plays ball. 8 minutes to go. 15-point game. 27-42. Garcia double. Asmeria three. This time he doesn't hesitate. Finally gets on the ball to cut the lead to 12. Oh, the third from Asmeria finally passing all to the 12th three. They're dropping. And it leads to a missed shot on the other end. Wide open. Just could not capitalize on that master's opportunity. A three from Hassan. And it leads to a 9-point game. It's 33-42. Two straight threes in the span of 45 seconds. It's a new ball game. We're going to take it out on the sidelines once again. I think they'll be okay. Three's guiding has played extraordinarily well so far. Disrupting flow on the other end. And Drake's trying to go on the others. On Balenzo. Gets it to number 7, Fake. Over to John. Good G. No foul call. Garcia's got it.
What's number? Top of the key, we got 6 minutes and 22 seconds left to go. Trying to reiterate again. Let's go play it together. 3, hold up. Oh, big hit. I want to make sure everybody's okay. I know that the heat is a little bit intense, but it's important to make this as much as possible. 5:59 left to go. Let's go. Cruz. Drive. Foul on 4. He can slow it down. He can slow it down. rebound. Hard contact. And gets out on the floor. But the carry's okay. Taliban big twice. It's up. 1 minute and 20 to go. It's a 44-46. 46 of the way through the game. 3. Off the mark. No shot clock. It is a 13-point deficit. Over 10. Double team. 3:50 to go. Inside. Oh, he's wide open. He gets to 3. Crosses it back to 2. And it's taken away by Garcia. Behind the back. That is an obvious foul call. And hold. Gets the free throw. Everybody got the free. Everybody there. 3 minutes left to go. Cross on through. For 5 and 4. 3. Take. On to Compton. Back to number 6. Right about Garcia. The drive. Unstoppable. Unflappable. Back to 3. No shot clock since it's over 10 for the deficit. Looks at Garcia. Calls it off. Back to 3. Back to 2. He puts it back outside. 6 to the drive. Back to Garcia. And it's off. On 3. Substitution. Stop. The local seven for Kagape. 8. Never mind. We're coming to throw. The 3. Out, that's out. That is as high as you can get. You lay over the backboard, guys. Come on. 1 minute and 58 seconds left to go. It's 33 to 46 game. Here's a miracle. Drive through this round. And miscommunication leads to a turnover. 1 minute and 42 left to go. Number 3. He has been their main man in this game. Always been 2, 6. Blew up off the lane. And a foul. And a failure. One minute and 13 to go. 1:08 to go. Foul again on this area. Seconds.
Go.
20 seconds left. How's it going? 8, 7, 6,